right, congratulations on finishing the project. And I'm just going to play this just so you can look at something pretty. In this video, we're going to go over an overview of what we did in project number 1, section 5, project number 1, and we built a very simplistic animation for my logo, LearnTech Plus. Okay, so we downloaded the project files on my website, learntechprojectfiles.com. We created a new project, we created a new composition and learned about what that is. We imported the project files, we organized the files, we added this background here, okay? We added the logo. Then we animated the logo, like so. And what did we do? We adjusted the opacity from 0 to 100 in 1 second, and then we adjusted the opacity from 100 to 0 in 2 seconds, okay? And I'll bring it back to that because it looks awesome. I love the blue, by the way. Then we previewed the video, just like I'm doing here. We exported it to Media Encoder, set up the correct codec format. Then we rendered the video in Media Encoder, okay? Then we watched the final video, and now we're here at the summary. So, with that, I thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the project. Send me any questions that you have on this specific project. Be happy to help you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.